Up next, how to impress your Valentine with a romantic dinner table on a budget. There it is. Oh, this is so nice. So nice.
Valentine's Day is Monday, and here to help us get a romantic dinner table ready is DIY expert Cynthia Moreno.
Welcome back, Cynthia.
Look at these are having me again.
So, Cynthia, when it comes to DIY, you're a master. And today you're showing us 3 very cool ways to take our Valentine's Day to the next level, right?
Yeah, just jazz it up with stuff that you probably already have at home.
Wow, so
Yeah.
cost effective too.
Cost effective.
This is what I like, because you always bring stuff that I could actually do. What are we going to start with?
So today we're gonna just basically do a few little DIYs that just kind of elevate your table, whether you're doing a Valentine's or swing with the kids, so a kids craft I think is really great, or you're doing something romantic, it's really nice, just like be a little festive.
Okay.
So flowers. Start
Flowers,
here.
yeah, let's go over to the flowers.
Okay.
So flowers, here's the deal. You can totally just do this by going to the grocery store. So I would say if you want to do grocery store flowers, just the only key is stay within a color palette. So do pinks and reds and you're done.
That's it. Don't get crazy.
Don't get crazy. And it's really easy and very cost effective once again.
Okay.
So you probably have made these in elementary school, but I still think they're the best.
Oh, I remember.
So these are fan hearts. They just go on little skewers, and you basically just take some construction paper, cut them in circles. You're going to fan them.
Yes.
And then, hold on, this takes a little bit of a second.
Oh my God, I love that.
And then you just bend them and you make little hearts.
Oh, that is
look at that.
adorable.
Yep, and then you just hot glue them to the skewer, and then you just put them in your flower centerpieces for like
Got
a
it.
little
Little
extra.
hot gun glue
Yeah,
and
some
boom.
hearts.
But look what that does to your grocery
There
store
you go.
flowers.
Super
That's
cute.
There you go.
adorable.
Do you guys want to stick some in there?
Yeah, here you go, Mario. Decorate
There
this
we
guy
go.
with a little
These
pink
are
and
real
red.
flowers too.
Yeah.
Okay,
Perfect.
come on, that just gives
I
it an
love it.
extra
Perfect.
little
All right, little heart. And you can, and if you want to get real creative, you write their name right here.
Oh,
or a
yeah,
little
For your
poem
place setting right there.
Song
Possibilities
lyrics.
are endless. All right, let's go over to the next station.
Huh.
And see, you just add a little bam.
Oh,
perfect.
bam.
Okay.
All right.
Now,
All right,
Now
so
we're here.
no table is complete
Ooh,
without
magic
a
tricks.
name tag. So I thought we would do a little like place setting that looks like a Valentine. So
Okay.
basically, you're just gonna get 2 pieces of construction paper that are a little bit bigger. You can add your favorite conversation on it. You're gonna glue them together just to make
Text
a
me.
little pocket,
That's so
right?
cute.
And then you're gonna add your guest or your name if you're coming to the
Oh,
party.
inside, got
Yep,
it.
with a
Oh,
little
that's
ribbon,
adorable.
and you have a little pocket. But then this
Oh,
is my
yeah.
favorite part. So you need a envelope for your Valentine. So we're
Right.
gonna take napkins.
Okay.
And you know what? Whatever napkins you have, whether they're mixed match, bring out those red napkins from Christmas. They will all work.
Cute.
All right.
place
So
it in
here's
here.
yeah, we're gonna do it together. You guys ready?
Okay.
Yes.
You don't even need that yet.
Oh,
Watch.
okay.
It's
Okay.
so fun. So you're gonna take your 2 triangles together.
Okay.
Go one more time.
One second.
Flip over.
Oh, you got a little envelope
Yep.
going on.
And then you just take your Valentine, slide it in,
Then you get the.
adorable.
and then you
there
take
it
your little
goes.
heart sticker.
Oh, I love that.
Oh, look at
Bam.
that. Oh,
Yeah.
look at that.
Super cute,
That's
right?
real DIY.
All right.
That's adorable.
You guys can put yours on your little table. So you can put one there.
Oh, Mario, look, and then you've got your little place setting. That is
Yeah.
too cute.
Perfect, perfect. You can put that one there, Mario. It's perfect.
Over here,
Mine
right
looks
here.
a lot
Right here.
bigger
Here's
than
your
yours.
plate. It's perfect. I love it.
I like
You know
a
why?
big Valentine.
That's because I got a lot of love right there for that. Mine's like massive.
All
Okay,
right.
now
okay, so this
cocktails.
is the
Oh my
best
God,
part,
cotton
right?
candy.
You have to have a cocktail,
Yeah.
Oh,
right?
the cotton candy with the heart. That's clever.
Yeah,
Very
so
cute.
just a fun little garnish. Okay, so you're gonna take some regular cotton candy. You're
Okay.
gonna punch a little hole in it.
Okay.
You're gonna just take some like confetti that is edible,
Ooh.
like sprinkles. You're gonna cover that up.
You got a little cookie
You're gonna
cutter?
take a cookie cutter, really easy. You're gonna cut
Look at
out a heart,
that. Okay.
pull it out, and you should have.
Wow, that's a perfect little heart right
Yeah.
there.
Adorable.
So then also I just made some skewers that look like little arrows with just, once again,
cute.
some bamboo skewers and some paper. And you just slide it right through.
You
Nice.
are
And
adorable.
can you keep this in your drink and as you pour it?
Yeah, so wait, this is the best part.
Oh, okay.
Okay, so you take some champagne or apple cider if you have kids, and you're just gonna pour it right on top.
Oh, they better be looking
So
when
if
you
you
do
guys
that,
want to,
though,
you
so
guys can pour
the
yours.
art.
So
pour
it
this in.
makes
All right,
your
let's
drink
see.
pink, which is perfect for Valentine's.
Oh, look at it,
And then
melts right
all the
away.
glitter and gold just
I
comes
have
right
to
to the
tell
top.
you, if you
Ooh.
have kids, like Gio would love this.
Yeah.
The mocktail with all,
Yeah.
you put it in your fancy glasses.
That
It's
cotton
so
candy wouldn't have made it to the
No, that would have made it to the end. We got this.
Oh, look at that. And then it's a cool looking
Yeah.
drink.
That's adorable
Oh,
right
wow.
there.
Thank you
really
very much.
cute. And so
For more great DIY projects you can do at home, head over to the Hot Pink Pineapple social media channel.
Still the best name right there. Coming up, guys, how this empty nester's living out her dreams on the road in a van, searching for love. Wait till you hear her story. Coming up next.